Welcome back. In today's video we will work on this beautiful stitch. You can see how beautiful the texture of this stitch is. This is called paired stitch and it can be made with a single crochets, half double crochets and even double crochets. In this tutorial I have used single crochet to make this stitch, but you can make with a half double crochet and double crochet as well. Let's see how to make this stitch. To make the paired half double crochet, I have made 20 chains and plus 1. You can make any number of chains and then you have to make one additional chain for the first row. Now what we will do to start the stitch, we will go in the second chain from hook, yarn over the hook, pull a loop and go in the next stitch, third chain from hook, yarn over the hook, pull a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook and pull a loop. First stitch is slightly different and we will start the pairing from the next stitch. Now we will go in the same stitch where we have went earlier. This third stitch we have to go in the same one where we went earlier, the last stitch. So we will go here, yarn over the hook, pull a loop. Now we will go in the next stitch, yarn over the hook and pull a loop, yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 loops. Now again we will go in the same stitch where we have been earlier, the last stitch, and yarn over the hook, pull a loop. Now go in the next stitch, yarn over the hook and pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook and pull through all the stitches. Now we will do the same thing, go in the previous stitch, yarn over the hook, pull a loop, go in the next one, yarn over the hook, pull a loop and then make our stitch. In the same way we will continue doing in the previous stitch, pulling a loop, again going in the next stitch and then bringing a loop and making a stitch. So that's why we are able to get a paired stitch, and you can see the thickness of the stitch. The texture is different and the thickness is double the size of normal single crochet. In the same way we will keep doing and complete the row, previous stitch and new stitch. Go in the previous stitch, bring a loop, then go in the next stitch and pull a loop and then yarn over the hook and pull through all the stitches. In the same way we will keep working and finish the whole row. Decrease stitch that we normally do, but we are combining the previous stitch and new stitch, so that change it to decrease stitch from to pair stitch. It changes from decrease stitch to pair stitch because we are not creating any decrease here. We are only using the same technique but joining the last and recent stitch. We have completed the first row. Now let's turn the row, make one chain turn around, and repeat the same process. For the first stitch, you can create a decrease stitch as well, and you can make a normal single crochet as well. If you don't want to lose any stitch, just make a normal single crochet. After the first stitch, we will start repeating the same process of paired single crochet. You can make paired half double crochet and paired double crochet as well. So going in the previous stitch, bringing a loop, going in the next stitch, bringing a loop, and then completing the stitch. In the same way we will continue doing and make our project. We can make as number of stitches we want. Add one stitch in the foundation chain. For example, if you want to have 20, then add one, make it 21 chains. In the same way we will continue working and complete the second row as well. In the same way, following the same second row, you can make as many rows as you want for your project. And make sure to make a stitch in the last one. And with that we completed the second row. You can see the texture and design on the both sides. I hope you liked the tutorial and it is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video. Until then, have a nice time.